The second constraint is unique. After using this constraint on a column, you prevent inserting duplicates value to that column, but it allows nulls value at the same time. So its work is reversed to the not null constraint as we learned it in the previous video. So let's see in action how to use unique constraint, what it is benefit. So continuing from the previous video example, we have a table which we applied the not null constraint on employee ID. We have seen that not null's value is allow duplicates value, but it is not allowing null's value to be inserted. So instead of using not null, I will use unique constraint and see what will happen. So let's drop the table first and then recreate the table with the unique constraint. So I will write unique. So this is unique constraint on the employee ID. So let me create the table again and insert one row, and then I'll try to run the insert syntax again with the same employee ID. So as you see, we have got unique constraint failed on employee ID. So unique constraint is ensured as duplicates value is not allowed to be inserted, but at the same time it allows null's value to be inserted. So let me remove this column name and value and try to run the insert syntax again. As you see, one row is affected, so let me see what we have now. There is no duplicates value, but we have null value has been inserted to that column. So the unique value is allowing null value and preventing inserting duplicates value to the same column.